Hello, I'm Georgi. I'm a lead artist at Chibi Phoenix, and today I'll be showing you some of the proprietary tools we have built to manage our games, in this case, Manga RPG. So let's go to the global admin. It's a very simple page. We use it to manage everything, basically. A lot of the action is happening in the content menu, where you have pretty much all features that are available to us are manageable. We have the adventures. This is where we can add as many adventures as we want. And adventures refers to a separate story that is or isn't linked to the main story. And as you can see here, we have two adventures. One is the main adventures and the other is hemispheres. When we go to the main adventure, we can add quests to it, we can add worlds to it. A world is basically our name for a chapter, because the way we structure the stories generally is that players travel from place to place, and basically each chapter is a new world. Here are the quests, and in the quest you can set where players earn rewards, when they fight, what rewards they earn, and a lot of things. You can also set balancing and stuff. We also have the trolls. Manga RPG doesn't have all that many trolls. The general opponents that players will fight. And from the edit button, you can edit their team. You can edit their rewards. You can edit balancing. You can edit stats. All that stuff. You can also manage quest assets from here. These are all of the assets that appear in everything that is quest related. It's the assets that are used for when we create our stories. And on every asset, you can see first of all where it appears. You can set tags to it so that it's discoverable. Speaking of assets and quests, there will be a separate video for Quest V2, but generally speaking, it's a very simple tool where you move assets around. You can zoom in and out. You can group them any way you want. You can add text. It's a very simple thing. You can also browse and create your characters here. You have a whole bunch of ways of filtering which ones to display. As you can see, you can get a quick preview of every character that fits your search criteria. Here, they're pretty cool. When you edit a character, you can edit everything about them, like description, name, balancing, sources, all that type of stuff. There are also other things like editing events that we can manage. As you can see here, you have a whole, like, this is technical stuff, but you can, without any type of coding or anything like that, edit objectives, edit things, do whatever you want. It's pretty strong. Same thing with the champions. As you can see, we have champions are kind of raid bosses in Manga RPG, and you can manage them. They're pretty cool, pretty easy. You have the champions art, the arena, the drops, and everything that you need, items. It's a fairly simple tool that we have created that's fairly robust and allows us to create all kinds of things. Obviously, they follow a general formula right now for this particular type of game, but it's pretty cool. It gives us a lot of freedom, and it allows us, generally artists, to do whatever we want. And it's fairly simple, and it's pretty cool. And that's it, basically.